Hi, and welcome back to another Python video. In this video, I'll show you how to create a map density plot using Plotly. The first thing we will do is we will start by importing the important libraries, which is the Plotly Express and Pandas. Pandas will be used to read off pressure data on North Sea fields. So we will be using the read CSV function because it's a CSV file. Once we do that, let's see what columns we have. And then we'll be proceeding with creating graph that will create a density map using the Plotly library. We will be populating it with the data frame and the longitude and the latitude and the Z, which is going to be the magnitude. And of course, we're going to create some settings for the plot itself. And once we have everything ready set up, we'll start plugging in the longitude and the latitude and the magnitude values. So everything will go inside that. And for the magnitude, we'll be using the pressure survey that was taken from the field. And there we go. This is your density map for the north field. This is the density map using Plotly. Follow us for more videos.